Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, yes. I beg to make a mention as item 10.
Item 10.
Lordship.
Yes, who is the other side?
For the private respondents.
Difficulty, personal difficulty of Mr. Paul.
Lordship.
Well,
After vacation, Your Lordship.
after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Mr. Paul has some difficulty at home. This is a request to made on behalf of the petitioner. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship, item 17 on behalf of Mr. S. Thapa, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, similar matters pending before division bench of this honorable court, Your Lordship.
No objection. 17. This make it 3 weeks. At the request made on the petitioner. 3 weeks. This will go after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
3 weeks. This will go after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
Court is not audible.
Your Lordship.
Yes. All right.
Lordship, similar prayer for item 7, Your Lordship.
You inform the other side.
Lordship.
Lordship, no, I just now I came to know that they are mentioning. Lordship, this matter pertains to that whether they are opting for appeal or not.
The problem here is, madam, there is some personal difficulty for Mr. Paul. That is what had been made known to the court before. So I do not know whether the situation has improved or it is like same.
Same, Your Lordship.
So we'll have it after 2 weeks.
After vacation.
Mr. Paul's mother is not well. That is what has been.
Okay.
Perhaps you do not know, or you have not been informed.
No, I have not been informed. Just now I came to know.
Yes, this also after 2 weeks. Yes.
Then it will be after Puja vacation.
After 2 weeks means it will come after Puja vacation, definitely. Yes. Yeah, Puja vacation, you can say it will start from 5th only.
Yes.
So after 2 weeks it will be. Yes.
Lordship, item 2 as well, Your Lordship. Item 2 as well.
Item 2 also.
Lordship, my apology, Your Lordship.
They're all matters. Normally court is not at all inclined to. Yes.
No.
Just to say prayer has been made on behalf of Mr. K. Paul, Learner Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioner to adjourn the matter on the ground of personal difficulty of the Senior Counsel. Mr. Abraham, Learned Counsel, appearing for the state respondent, has no objection. Prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks.
Yes.
I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, they inform me.
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
5. At the request of the petitioner, list after 2 weeks.
I do oblige.
Oblige, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, 12, and 13, Your Lordship. This is a connected matter, Your Lordship. I humbly pray, Your Lordship, that the matter may be listed after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
We have no objection. Yes, you have 12, 13 also. 3 weeks at the request.
Highly obliged, Your
All
Lordship.
right.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16. This matter may kindly be taken up after the puja break, madam.
This is a matrimonial dispute.
Matrimonial dispute.
No settlement.
No, Your Lordship.
No.
Why?
They are not able.
You are not telling them to settle the matter.
No, Your Lordship. Actually, we have tried, but for the last 2 years they have failed, Your Lordship. So this time,
The lawyers are not encouraging them.
we encourage them, Your Lordship.
Yes. This also.
After puja break, madam.
No objection, Your Lordship.
16 also, 2 weeks at the request made on behalf of the petitioner. Yes.
Much obliged.
Obliged, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8 and 9. These are connected matters, Your Lordship. I pray let this matter come after puja break, Your Lordship.
8 and 9.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I have no objection.
8 and 9 also.
8 and
After 2 weeks at the request of the petitioner. Okay. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
But I beg
Yeah,
to
please,
make a
Your
mention of about item 3 and 4. Madam. Maybe listed after puja petition.
Your Lordship.
These are what? Service matters.
Your Lordship, appointment of the
Teacher.
Teacher.
Yes,
School.
Your Lordship.
You are out of service.
Your Lordship.
3, 4, these are connected matters.
Connected
Same
matters.
for yes.
Represented by the same council, same set
Yes.
of council,
Yes. Yes.
same parties.
Same party.
Okay. 3 and 4. Just the request made on behalf of the state respondents. This is matter after 2 weeks. We just you say Mr. K.P. Bhattacharya, Learned G appearing for the state respondents. Praise for grant of some time. Karma. Miss Karma. Learned Council appearing for the petitioner has no objection. They are allowed list after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
May I please,
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, Lordship. On behalf of respondent number 5, Lordship. Due to personal difficulties, Lordship.
Yes. You are appearing for
Respondent number 5, Lordship. Item number 6, Lordship.
the petitioner. Who is petitioner here? Item 6 petitioner. Who is petitioner?
Oh, no, petitioner here is my lord Mr. Guru.
Nobody is there.
Nobody is there. He's probably in the other court. Because I saw him in court.
Somebody should be there. He is not one. You see, there are 3, 4 names are there. Anyway,
I'll just inform Lordship.
just say the request made on behalf of the private respondent about so and so. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Yes. Item 6. Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 14, Your Lordship. I pray this matter may come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Item 14.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
14 also. At the request made on the petition list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Supplementary cause list, item number 1.
Yes.
May it please Your
yes.
Lordship, I am filing this application under section, on behalf of the petitioner, Your Lordship, under section 482 of the Criminal Procedure Code, section 528 of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, Your Lordship,
Both the
2023.
provision can be invoked at a time. The repealed law and the new law. Can it be? Anyway, just tell us what is the matter.
The brief fact of the case is that, Your Lordship, the petitioner is recently enrolled in one of the central police force and presently stationed at Mopat, Shillong, Your Lordship. That the petitioner on 19/12/2022, Your Lordship, met with an accident with the car of the respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
He was there inside the vehicle. Was he there inside the vehicle?
The petitioner was driving two-wheeler.
Okay. So
and
his
the res-
two-wheeler met with an accident.
Yes, Your Lordship, and the respondent number 3 was driving a car. He met with an accident with the car of respondent number 3, Your Lordship. And on reaching near Military Hospital, Rilbong, Your Lordship, they collided with an accident, Your Lordship. Due to the said collision, Your Lordship, the petitioner sustained severe injuries, for which he had to be admitted in the hospital, Your Lordship. Thereafter, after a few days of proper medical treatment, Your Lordship, he was recovered and was discharged from the hospital, Your Lordship. And after that, Your Lordship, in the meantime, Your Lordship, the respondent number 5F3 filed an FIR or written complaint against the petitioner, who is arraigned as the accused person in the instant matter, Your Lordship. thereafter, Your Lordship, the respondent and the petitioner, they amicably settled the matter um, um, and executed a compromise deed. Executed a compromise deed.
This matter, basically, this case was registered
Uh,
in the,
on 25th 12th
no,
2020.
that is for ration negligent driving, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship, under section 279 and 337
And
of
there was no claim for compensation or counter claim for compensation, nothing was there.
no, Your Lordship.
Then which way settlement has been arrived? What is the settlement?
The settlement we have annexed along with the petition. The
No, what is the settlement? What is the terms of your settlement?
yes, yes, Your Lordship. Both the parties has decided, Your Lordship, to amicably settle their dispute and express their willingness not to pursue the matter further and desire to quash the legal proceedings before the court of law. As the petitioner was at no fault on his part, that is why they have executed this compromise deed between the petitioner and the respondent number 3, Your
So there is
Lordship.
nothing, apart from this, there is nothing is here. There is just an agreement not to pursue the case.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No claim, no counter
No,
claim.
Your Lordship.
Who is this? Who is appearing for the respondent number 3? Anyone? Who is there? No.
The three notice
Yes,
will have to
Lordship.
be issued.
To Miss Srimati N.G. Shilla, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 3?
No, respondent 3 is the private respondent.
Private, he is a private
Respondent 1 and 2
Your
are the
Lordship.
The
state.
notice has to go to him. Yeah.
Yes.
So why this is ration negligent driving is not this thing, not compoundable, isn't it?
It's not compoundable.
One section 279 is not compoundable. Your Lordship.
79.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Not
That's why
compoundable.
yes, Your Lordship. They have approached before the trial court also for compounding, as one of the section is not compoundable, Your Lordship. That is why the petitioner has approached the Honorable High Court for quashing of
So
the
ration
FIR.
negligent driving is a public wrong.
Yes, Your
It
Lordship.
is not confined to two private personnel.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Can it be compromised? What the law says?
If both the parties are
Even the issues involving public. Can you compromise a murder case?
but no public was hurt.
What is the law in this regard? Any decision by the apex court?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
One of the citation is from the Supreme Court, Your Lordship. It's at page number.
Narinder Singh.
Yes, Your Lordship. Narendra Singh versus
Then
State
Gyan
of
Singh.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Narinder Singh, Gyan Singh. And what
No,
else?
no, Your Lordship. Shri Narendra Singh versus State of Punjab, 2014
Yes, and
6.
before that there is a case, isn't it? Gyan Singh, 2012, maybe. And then after that,
I may be allowed to read, Your Lordship.
no, that is okay. You do not have to read the thing. What are the decisions in this holding field? There is a decision in 2019 also. Are you holding it? Anyway, it's
Yeah,
not. Oh, we'll issue notice
High
now.
Court has the inherent power
Will
to
be
quash.
issue now, but then you have to place before the court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What are the offences where compromise is acceptable? The basic understanding is that if any crime is against society, then that cannot be compromised. If it is only a matter between two private individuals, definitely that can be. So that is what you say, like you have to satisfy the court on these things. Anyway, for the timing, we will issue notice. Let respondent number 3
Yes,
appear.
Your Lordship.
Yes,
And
Mr.
this
Karmi.
date of occurrence also, it has been wrongly mentioned in the compromise deed lot.
Is it?
1912-2022. They have mentioned 1912-2024.
Typing error.
You have to correct it.
And they have entered this compromise agreement after a long time. After 2 years. I
So
think.
are you doubting this compromise?
Let the notice be issued, Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship. Let the notice be issued to respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
And you have your instruction also.
Yes.
Okay. Heard Miss
P. Sunar, Your Lordship.
P. Sunar, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Issue notice returnable in 3 weeks. Mr. Karmi, Learned Petitioner PP
Yes, Lordship.
appears for the respondent number 1 and 2. Step. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3. within 2 days. Least after 3 weeks. Take steps.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship. Daily cause list, item number 1.
Excuse. Yes.
Your Lordship, I have filed one application for removing respondent 5, 6, 7, and 8 as a respondent, as they are not necessary party in this instance. Yes. Your Lordship, I pray that maybe I'll please to allow to delete this party from this instant petition.
You are private respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So your name is sought to be struck off, no?
No, Lordship.
So you still remain.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Sometimes petitioner appears in person, sometimes through a lawyer. Are you appointed by him?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Hmm? Are you holding a vakalatnama? Has it been signed?
I didn't remember.
You have to remember. This is a court proceeding.
Yes. But I am Sir P.K.
The problem is that here you see, like all around the petitioner in person has appeared.
Yes.
Now here, this is an application where you have to pass some effective order. So until and unless you are authorized, I don't think we will allow you to address the court.
Sir P.K. Bora, Your Lordship.
Had it been prayer for adjournment or for minor things, for verifying service report and all, okay. To that extent we understand. But then here the court will have to pass some effective order, isn't it? For striking of the name of certain respondents. So until unless you have the authority, can you address the court on this issue? Yes, madam. What is to be done?
I leave it to my Lord's discretion. Because she is.
You cannot leave
the
it.
Chamber,
You just say what the law says.
Lordship.
Can you allow, even if the petitioner is a lawyer, can you allow any other lawyer to represent him without any authority?
We cannot, my lords.
What the law says. If you are not there today and somebody else appears on your behalf, then what happens? Anyway, you see, since that when Mr. Bora will be available, we will not, you see, until unless you can show that you have been authorized, we will not allow.
Yes. Okay.
Not proper for the court to pass an order. Tomorrow petitioner may come and disown and may say that how could a person be, or there is a what is your name?
It's Ian Nongben. Ian Nongben.
There is a vakalatnama here, but then your name is not there. Oh no, this is vakalatnama filed by you, isn't it? Respondent number 4.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No, but in the petition there is nothing. There is no vakalatnama. So we'll just adjourn the matter, nothing else. We cannot do anything. When Mr. Bora will be available?
After puja, I think.
Hmm?
After vacation.
Say, speak loudly.
After vacation, Your Lordship.
After vacation?
Yes.
He has already gone for vacation.
Lordship, according to this
auspicious.
application, he has already moved to his permanent address at Nonoi, Naugao. He has actually shifted out of Shillong.
Who?
Mr. Bora.
How do you know he's shifted?
It's written here.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh, at the address, in the petition.
Yes, my lords. When I shifted from my rented accommodation at Dempseyong, Shillong to my permanent address at Nagaon, I misplaced the counterfoils.
And what about 2 and 3? What is to be done?
He's mentioned here that Mr. K. Gautam had appeared
Where?
had applied for Zimma in the lower court.
Will it bind Mr. Gautam?
No, no, my lords. But at least it's a step forward.
In
They're
the
removing-
affidavit,
It's here in this affidavit.
this application, the
In
new
this
application for
application.
striking off.
Yes, my lords.
Now, what about so number 2 and 3?
We have self-notice.
No, this is something, it's not done, things are not been done properly. Just say office note dated 25/9/2024 indicates that Etika indicates that service report on respondent number 2 and 3 is yet to be received. Just say the next line, you say await service report in respect of the said respondents. Then you say in appears from the record that a criminal miscase being criminal miscase number 102 of 2024 has been filed by the petitioner for striking off the name of respondent number 5, 6, 7 and 8 from the array of parties. However, the petitioner is not present. However, the petitioner, who is appearing in person, is not present before the court today. A prayer has been made by MS Learned Counsel on behalf of the petitioner to adjourn the matter. Accordingly, this is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Hearing item number 15.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Avram, you are there. Oh, you are respondent here.
I'm responding, yes, on the Chief Deputy.
Yes.
Lordship, I pray for some accommodation in this matter, Your Lordship.
What accommodation you need?
Lordship, the learned DSGI had to leave due to some urgency, Your Lordship. I
There
pray
is some urgency.
I pray the matter. may
What
be
kind of
listed-
urgency? No details.
No, Your Lordship.
Yes. What is your prayer?
I pray this matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Miss MS
LMD Mara, Your Lordship.
LMD Marak. I'm very poor in remembering name. Mrs. MD Marak, Learned Counsel, has made a prayer on behalf of Mr. Dr. N. Majika, from our learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner, comma, to adjourn the matter on the ground of personal difficulty of the senior counsel. Stop. Mr. H. Abraham, learned counsel appearing for the respondents, have no objection. Prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks.
I'll oblige your lordship.
Highly obliged, your lordship.